friends. Professor Murty here, the Director of IIT Hyderabad. I want to share with you a new idea that we are trying to launch this year at IIT Hyderabad, what we call it as a product-based PhDs. You're all aware that typically in India, most of the PhDs land up into writing a thesis, a 200, 300 page document, and every student is expected to at least have one or two papers published before they submit their thesis. And there are quite a number of initiatives in some institutions where they also possibly promote some patents being submitted by the students are also as equivalent to submitting a thesis and possibly allow them to submit a thesis based on patents rather than papers. And this is something which India needs to pursue in a greater focus towards our Viksit Bharat to ensure that India become a product country and a kind of a technology country. So with that intention, at IIT Hyderabad, we started about 4 years back a program which we call it as an M.Tech in medical device innovation. This is possibly India's first M.Tech program, at least among IITs that I am aware of, where the student at the end of M.Tech does not submit a thesis but just comes up with a product. In this program, the student spends about 6 months in a hospital, talks to patients and doctors, and finds out all kinds of problems that they have in terms of medical devices, and at the end picks up one problem, and at the end of the 2-year program, the student has a prototype of a medical device in hand. The student does not write any thesis. His product or her product is equivalent to the thesis, and we have a committee evaluating that product and finally giving a degree. We also felt that while bringing out products is important, but also selling the product is also very important. With that intention, we started a Department of Entrepreneurship, and now the department offers an M.Tech program called M.Tech in Techno-Entrepreneurship. In this M.Tech in Techno-Entrepreneurship, the M.Tech student, while going through a project period of 1 year, will have one entrepreneurship faculty and one engineering or science faculty co-supervising him or her, so that at the end of the 2-year M.Tech program, the student is not only ready with a product but also with a business model. So this way, we are able to come up with students who are able to come up with products rather than just a thesis. And many of these are landing up into starting their own startups. And this is an idea which we want to extend this towards PhD program. And now I am approaching a large number of industries to see if the industries can support a PhD program which is going to lead to a product rather than just a thesis. It is important that when you want technologies and products to come out, industry and academia have to work together rather than just academia working out, so that the product that is coming out or the process that is coming out at the end of a PhD program can be taken forward by the industry and commercialize it and see to it that these products become popular not only within the country but also outside the country. With that, we are approaching a large number of industries. If any of the industries are listening to me to this video, I request you to come forward and support these such PhD programs where we are requesting the industry to pay a fellowship of about 80,000 per month to a PhD student for 4 years, which comes to approximately about 10 lakhs per year, 40 lakhs per 4 years, and to support one PhD student. And at the end of the PhD, the student will be able to come up with a product or a process which will really make the company proud and also help the country to move in the direction of Viksit Bharat very strongly with the support of industry. So this is a new venture that IIT Hyderabad is jumping into, and I would like to see more and more industries coming forward and supporting. We already have one such example at IIT Hyderabad. We have a Green Co which has supported a center here, which we call it as a school on sustainability, Green Course School on Sustainability at IIT Hyderabad, under which they are supporting about 6 PhD fellowships every year, which will bring out technologies in the sustainability area exactly in a similar fashion that I just mentioned. So I would like to see more and more industries showing their interest to see that India grows with the support of industry and academia, and ensures that India becomes not only Atmanirbhar very soon, but also Viksit Bharat, so that technologies developed in India become products outside the country, so that everybody in the world uses the products developed at this country. And I'm sure there is a talent available. We just need a good support from industry in this particular area. Thank you very much.